Hey guys, it's your girl Alti here. Today's video is gonna be the cheap, cute, and affordable home decor ideas for rooms, especially for girls. So basically, cheap home decor ideas or cheap girls room decor ideas is what coming out in today's video. Ever since I put my room tour video, so many people were DMing me on Instagram. So I've come up with 5 different amazing home decor ideas or room decor ideas that are really easy to get it started. If you have a room and don't know where to get it started, this video is going to be the right thing for you. How to get started with your room decor is what coming in today's video. So let's get started. Do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel so you can get all my videos directly onto your phone. So getting your room started is very easy. First of all, it may not be expensive at all. I'm going to talk to you about the cheap and cute home decor ideas for girls' room. These are all affordable and cute home decor ideas. My room is really not expensive. I made sure I picked up stuff that are really affordable and also like putting my vibe out there. The first thing is, do not buy home decor as in like some decorative pieces because they are really expensive. They don't really add any value to your room and also they are difficult to maintain and clean it as well. The first step to getting your home decor sorted is to buy stuff that are actually useful for storage but also look cute. So this is one of the easiest way to get your room sorted. If you see my room, every single item or every single product that you see in my room is all cute and they're all useful. They are not just a showpiece or a decor piece at all. So the first cheapest way to get your room sorted is to put in fairy lights. Fairy lights is something that I was always not a fan of. It was battery operated, it's very expensive. Second, you just turn it on for a couple of days, the battery drains off, you need to change the battery again. And every fairy light thing needs at least 4 to 5 or even 6 batteries. That is really a lot of batteries and something it takes. So what I did was I found this powered fairy light. Now all I have to do is put it in the plug socket and everything lights up. So this one is super and affordable easy way. And now I got this fairy light that you see in my room from wrongway.co.in. But you can get a lot of power operated fairy lights from Amazon and other sites and even like local shops that you go you can find out. So powered fairy lights are really easy way. You don't have to buy batteries, you don't have to spend money buying batteries or keep changing it every now and then. Now this entire fairy light is almost like 100 light thing. So it goes from here till the end of the room. So one entire corner of the wall is completely filled with it. So I really love it. Always opting for power operated fairy light is one of the easiest way to amp up your room really good. I'm doing meditation. I turn on these lights because they give a very good ambience. Second affordable home decor ideas for your room is to get throw pillows like this. Now throw pillows like this are amazing because you can actually keep your leg on it. I lie on my bed, I put my iPad on my pillow and then watch something on my iPad. So throw pillows are really amazing. I got this beautiful colored throw pillow. Now this throw pillow has got this popcorn detailing on the front and it's a very beautiful one. These pillows are really soft and really affordable. Now I got this just for 199 rupees you guys. Now this is filled with the cushion. I didn't put cover on it because I want the pom-poms to be shown on. I have already 6 of that. They also have a turquoise here. I have yellow. This one is another cute little throw pillow one that I got it from Miniso. This one was just about 250 rupees. I think 50 rupees from Miniso. This is the most expensive throw pillow out of all the pillows I have. I got mine from Spar Hypermarket. These were all originally for 399 rupees each, and I got a discount. So 199 only I paid for these throw pillows, and they are really the best and the amazing one. The third cheap home decor idea, getting jewelry holder. I just wear my rings and bracelets, that's it. Instead of stacking up inside the drawers, display it out, which will also make a very beautiful home decor and also which will make you remember to wear it out and also adds a beautiful touch to your room. Nowadays, so many jewelry holders available everywhere. I'll try to link them to you. This frame jewelry that I got is one of the lucky pieces that I got. I just paid around 300 rupees for this. So this was available at Topshop. Now it is not available anymore. This is supposed to be a key holder, but I turned them into jewelry holder. And it also says choose happy, and I absolutely love it. Jewelry holders are really one of the quick and easy way to get your room sorted. They also double up as holding your jewelry, holding in dainty pieces, and also act as a beautiful cheap home decor for your room. As I told you, do not buy home decor that are just home decor. Buy home home decor that are actually usable, so which acts up like a storage space and also look cute and add a beautiful personal vibe here. The fourth cute and cheap home decor would be getting some healthy storage or tissue holder, any of those sorts. If tissue is one of your main thing, you can get cute tissue holders out there in the market. This beautiful bunny one that I have here, I actually got it for free because its face is cracked. The seller wasn't ready to sell it at all because he was almost about to discard the piece. So I just got it for free. This is one of the beautiful pieces that I got. There is also another storage, flamingo storage, which I actually hung it on the wall. You can hang this kind of cute little storage things on your wall, which adds a vibe to your room. And these were just about 450 rupees. I got it from a flea market and it's very affordable. Now this thing is actually made of thick cloth, so even if it gets dirty after years of using, you can put it in the machine and take it out and put it in brand new. It also acts like a stock storage and also my hair accessory storage. So all my hair accessories and my socks get into this and it looks very clean and very cute. Again, double up as a cute home decor, also act as storage, which is one of the perfect way to get it. Now the fifth home decor idea would be getting into frames. Now frames are not affordable option or they're really expensive. I have some affordable alternative for you guys to get sorted. Now these frames, why I hung up on my room is because they are all exactly tell my personality. Each frame has got this amazing photo which actually reminds me of something and this is totally my personality. These are really cute option and I really love it. Now these frames I got it from shop24.com, but they're really expensive. Each one costs about 550 to 600 to 650 rupees. I got them in some discount. I got them for 350 to 400 or 450 each. But I would say spending so much on a single frame is really not a good idea at all. All you have to do is you can buy cheap frames from Amazon. If you have a printer or something, you can actually print out stuff and use them and put it into your frame. So you don't have to spend money at all. It's very affordable. So I'm going to find some cheap frames. I'm going to give down below. You can just print out whatever you like and you can put it out in. One of these frames inside, I actually stuck my planner stickers. So I just stuck my stickers randomly and I got my frame set. These are my amazing, cute, and affordable home decor ideas. I'm going to leave the links for all the products that I can find on the description tab below. And hope you found this video really useful. If yes, do not forget to share this video with all your girlfriends. And tune into my channel every Tuesday and Friday at 4:55 with a brand new video. If you want to constantly stay in touch with me apart from YouTube, follow me on my Instagram at Aditi Iyer. My Instagram username is given here. Just follow me there. Do not forget to hit the bell icon while you're subscribing to my channel so you can watch all the videos directly on box with just one click and it's absolutely free. One of the circle is for this current channel and the other circle is for my second channel. Take a second to hit on those circles. You're going to get instantly subscribed to my channel for free so that you can get all my videos directly onto your phone.